What's the yellow dot represent?
Yeah, the yellow dot represents from the LiDAR. You can see clearly the LiDAR do the perceptions in these environments and then giving the navigation's instructions to the trucks.
So Stephen, the screen is huge. What can I do with it? Is there any special function?
Yes, it's a 12.4 inches display, and it's the hub of the smart cockpit. It's powered by our ReeWell platforms and our Hymala World Model. ReeWell is an AI-driven scheduling platform. Every piece of the equipment information in the port, trucks, the cranes, the machines, into a single intelligent systems. As the road model, they try to predict all the conditions, including the road congestions, the machine status. Then overall, they give up the final decision and put suggestions to the driver.
You talked about many kind of data. How about tire pressure monitoring? Is that included?
Yes, of course. Each wheel that's including a sensor inside the wheels and sending data to the AdaOps. It will give instant alert if the pressure drops a lot, and also improve the safety and the tire lifetimes and low additional effort for the driver.
Oh, I see. You talk about real-time monitoring. Can you show us?
Yes, of course. See. Okay, so here's the screen. So as you can see, that's the truck is moving, and then you can see the red.
What's the yellow dot represent?
Yeah, the yellow dot represents from the LiDAR. Actually, we have the LiDAR informations, and the yellow dot means the fence nearby the trucks. You can see clearly the LiDAR do the perceptions in these environments, and then giving the navigation's instructions to the trucks, so that the truck can drive automatically.
Oh, I see. So even in this kind of red yellow dot is the truck over there, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool.
So the AdaOps checks the obstacles and the people around the trucks, and then give the full
even people.
Give the full situational awareness for the improvement the operational safety. And at the same time, ReeWell and the Hymala at the back end and as a system to give instruction and the route to the trucks, so that the trucks can follow the route doing the drive autonomously.
So AI assists the driver,
yes,
but the experience remains human-centered.
Exactly. We have a ReeWell, AdaOps, and WellDrive autonomous driving systems. It reduces cost, enhance safety, and improve the operational safety efficiency, while keep the manual driving intuitive and comfortable.
Wow, perfect.
Yes.
This showcase both technology and usability. Oh, and thank you, Stephen. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.